Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get exhibition passes for less in Heartopia. So if you go to the Acorn exhibition page, there will be a pack section. So I did buy this already. So 60 exhibition passes cost me 300 of the heart diamond. But if you purchase it one by one of the exhibition is 10. So if I were to purchase 60 exhibition passes, it would have cost me 600 hard diamonds. So I suggest buying the pack. There's only two per pack here, so it was 300 for this pack if there was two, and 360 for this pack, and there are two for this one. So if you want to get it for cheaper, I suggest you purchasing it from the pack instead of purchasing it one by one. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.